Jerry Holsopple. This is a place I love, and it didn't start out to be like this. Like, we'd sort of imagined a squared off garden here, and maybe we'd put a couple sort of boulders in to sort of deal with the fact that the yard is much higher. And so we called Karl in and sort of figured out this whole patio area. That, of course, meant we got to reassess what we were going to do with the garden and make it really nice and curved, which was Karl's idea. But then we started laying the bluestone, and after we got the boulders in, and that was really fun. It's not massive, but you can come down here with 4, 5, 6 people, sit around for an evening and just chat. We have a little fire circle we can bring in if we want to roast something or sit around the fire. You can sit on the rocks, and when we were putting them in, we sort of, put little step stones so you can get your feet up onto the rocks and sit. All the plants came from the natural garden, and I think Mary and I planted some of the plugs as a way to just join in the process. Overall, you sort of lose track of the house, you lose track of the rest of the environment when you're down here, and you can really hear the birds. I love the butterfly season when you get to watch the butterflies, because they're just beautiful. And for me, it's important, like the idea of native plants. I don't want something that looks like manicured, because that just seems wrong. I want something that feels like I'm able to go back to my little wild childhood haunt. For me, it was just the joy of being part of every part of the process with Karl, watching how it happened, and his crew. They were good at what they did, and they were courteous and did good work. And and we've had them, Natural Garden, of course, did our whole front with us too, but this is the one that really is exciting in terms of our use.